Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cook with me video. I did mention I have my son here with me and my dogs that have joined me in the kitchen. So if you hear random noises throughout the video, I'm so sorry about that. It is most likely my son, my dogs eating, walking around the kitchen. This is just what it's like to do YouTube with a baby and dogs. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make pizza chicken. And I do just want to mention right off the bat that I do have a recipe. I will go ahead and link that in the description box, so you guys, if you guys want, you can follow the exact recipe and the exact ingredients they tell you to use. I kind of used my own, what I had around the house, what I thought we would like the best. I also did my own measurements with the cheese and the pepperoni, and I didn't do as many chicken breasts as it calls for because I freeze my chicken in twos, because that's just how we do it. We do one thing of like meat, and then we do like salad or a side dish or something like that. So I freeze my chickens in twos because I don't want to freeze them in fours and then go to waste. So as you can see over here, my son is sitting right next to me. My dogs are walking around, so if you hear my dogs eating or the males, I'm sorry. Also, Levi's got some toys over here with him. Hopefully they don't make too much noise, but let's just go ahead and get into this. What you're going to need is some mozzarella cheese, or cheese of your own, whatever preference you like, pepperonis, and some like spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, pizza sauce. I think this is the kind I'm using, I don't know. I also have this pizza sauce here, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use that one. I don't know. We're going to give this a whirl. This is my first time making this like this. I've done this and I've baked it before, but I'm going to go ahead and make this in the Crockpot this time. So I think I'm going to try that sauce with this. And then you are also going to need chicken, which I have on the counter behind me. I washed it, rinsed it, that's like really in your face. But I just have 2 big chicken breasts because that's how I freeze my meat. And usually I cut off this fat, ugly looking stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then I will come back and show you guys how we throw this all together. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw everything in the crock pot. So now I have my chicken sitting in that crock pot. I'm going to go ahead and dump the tomato sauce over top of the chicken. Sorry, there goes his toy on the floor. So I'm just going to dump this on top of the chicken. And then I'm going to put cheese over top of that tomato sauce. Then the pepperonis, more cheese, and a couple more pepperonis because I like a lot of cheese and pepperonis. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I will zoom you guys in so you can see that, and then I will show you a better picture of what it looks like once it's all put together. Okay, so you guys can't really see this good. This angle is very hard to work with, and my chicken looks yellow. I promise it's not. It's just the lighting right now because it is like 4 o'clock. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just take the tomato sauce and dump some of this on the chicken. And I'm not measuring this out, but I will have the exact recipe and the exact ingredients they call for in the description box. So I'm pretty much just coating the whole entire chicken. And I think I should have probably used the pizza sauce, but I think this will still work. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of my cheese and put it over the sauce. Then I'm taking the pepperonis and putting that right on top of the cheese. So I'm just going to take a handful. So I'm going to now go ahead and add some more cheese over top of those pepperonis. As you guys can tell, we like a lot of cheese and a lot of pepperonis. And now I'm just going to take the rest of that little stack of pepperonis and throw them right on top of that cheese. So that is it. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and I will give you guys a better look of what it looks like from my view. So this is what it looks like. You got the tomato sauce, the chicken, the tomato sauce, a layer of cheese, a layer of pepperonis, another layer of cheese, and another layer of pepperonis. So now that all that is in there and put together, you're going to go ahead, turn your crock pot onto high for 3 hours. Once that is done cooking on high for 3 hours, go ahead and check your chicken, and if you think it needs longer, you can leave it on for a little bit longer. Like I said, I will have the exact recipe of what they call for in the description box. So be sure to check that out if you want to follow the exact recipe. I kind of just did my own measurements with the cheese and the sauce and the pepperonis because we like extra cheese and extra pepperonis. He did all the work. You want to come say hi? You want to come say hi? Say hi, YouTube! Say hi, YouTube! Look right here. Looky. Also, comment in the comment area. Let me know if you guys would like to see more of these kind of videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye.